Johnny U Life, get out of here.
This is my life.
Hi everybody, Johnny U. Okay, cut. Hi everybody, this is Johnny U Life here, and I'm taking over this channel. Guess what? I have a great way to make a new cocktail that you need to find out about yesterday. So in 3, 2, 1. So this new fresh cocktail is gonna be awesome. What you guys need is 2 ingredients. It's really, really great. First ingredient is gonna be Dr. Pepper. Second ingredient is gonna be Captain Morgan. Let me tell you guys something. It is great. Johnny U Life. All right guys, I'm back here, and I just made a fresh new cocktail. It smells great, and let me tell you how it tastes. It tastes great. Remember to subscribe and like. I'll see you on the next class.
Don't forget to share.
Don't forget to share.
Housewarming party.
Woo, housewarming
You gonna give tips on housewarming parties?
Oh, major tips on housewarming party. This is where I can see myself.
You got all the good lighting and stuff. I mean, you can tell. It's hard because like when you see it and then you see it in
Yeah,
it's really
yeah,
amazing how you
yeah.
all set up.
I feel like I want to play dress up and actually.
I know.
I have all my long dresses. My long dresses. My short dresses. Fun going out. Sweaters. No, the house. I showed you.
Oh,
Johnny, I told you.
The door's shut, and I think there's a baby.